Hey guys, you're listening to the English Made Simple show. This is episode number 332, number 332, número 332. Welcome back, amigos y amigas. Welcome back. It's your host, Milena from EnglishMadeSimple.net. We are now at the third and final part of our mini-series called Restart Your English Learning Program or Restart Your English Learning Journey. If you missed the previous episodes that were 329, 330, and 331, I highly recommend giving those a listen first and then come back to this episode. Alrighty, amigos. Today's episode is all about how to make English a part of your daily life. Not something you do once in a while or when you have time, but something that becomes part of your everyday routine. This is something that helped me in the past when I was learning English. Imagine this. You wake up, brush your teeth, have your coffee, and somewhere in there, you also practice a bit of English. No stress, no pressure. Just add it to your daily routine, just part of life. Hopefully this all makes sense, amigos y amigas. Now, learning English isn't just about grammar books or classes. These are boring things. It's about exposure. So hearing, reading, speaking, and thinking in English regularly. So the more you make English part of your life, the faster you improve. That's the idea. That's exactly how I learned English a long time ago. And you know what? It doesn't have to take a lot of time. You just need to build tiny English habits into things you already do. Okay? It's easy. Let me explain. So I'm going to bring back our two imaginary friends, Ana and Carlos. I don't know why I always choose these two guys. Okay. Ana and Carlos, two imaginary friends. They are helping us learn English by sharing their stories here with us. It's part of the Restart Your English Journey series. Again, listen to the last 3 episodes and you'll get to meet Ana and Carlos, okay? Now, back to our imaginary friends, and this is their story. Carlos wanted to improve his English but kept saying, "I'm too busy. I don't have time to study." So Ana asked him, "So what do you do every day, Carlos?" And he said, "Well, I drink coffee, I walk the dog, I take the train to work." And then Anna said, "Perfect, that's when you learn English." So Carlos then started listening to English podcasts while walking his dog. His favorite is the English Made Simple podcast, of course. Surprise, surprise. He changed his phone language to English. Now he looks at his phone. It's all in English. He reads headlines, newspaper headlines in English while he's on the train. He didn't add more time to his day. He just added English to what he was already doing, you see? And that's the secret sauce, amigos y amigas. Just add it to your daily routine. Okay? And then what happened after a month? Carlos noticed that his listening improved, his vocabulary grew, and he felt more confident. Easy peasy Japanesey, right? Sounds so easy, doesn't it? I don't know why people don't do this. Okay. And now let's look at some expressions that are used in today's episode. Number 1 was to fit something in, to find time for something in your schedule. So, for example, even on busy days, I try to fit in 10 minutes of English. Okay, even on busy days, I try to fit in 10 minutes of English. 10 minutes is not a long time. Okay, number 2, another phrase to learn from today's episode is to make it a habit. To make it a habit, to do something regularly until it becomes natural. Carlos made English podcasts a daily habit. He started listening to English podcasts daily, like the English Made Simple show, okay? And then the last phrase to learn today is to add it to your routine. To add something to your routine. To include something in what you already do. For example, Anna added English practice to her morning routine. That's just an example. Anna added English practice to her morning routine. To add something to your routine. And that's exactly what I want you guys to take away from today's episode, is to add English to your routine. And now I would like us to practice some phrases together. Let's practice the following phrases. This is what I call repeat after me. So these will sound like your personal daily affirmations when you say them out loud. So this is what you say to yourself and you stay motivated, and you can say these in English and you can repeat after me, okay? So number 1, I'm going to say it first and then you repeat after me. So number 1, I can fit English into my day. I can fit English into my day. Number 2, I am making English a daily habit. I am making English a daily habit. And the last phrase is, English is part of my routine now. English is part of my routine now. Nice job, amigos y amigas. You're doing great, even though I can't hear you at all. I trust you're doing it right. Go back and listen to this episode again so you can practice these phrases one more time, okay? So before we wrap up, I'm just going to share some tips with you guys on how you can make English part of your life. So here are some ideas to make English part of your daily life or your daily routine. So number 1, listen while doing chores. Chores is doing some housework around the house. If you're cleaning, for example, if you're cleaning your house, you can tune into podcasts or audiobooks. So while cleaning or cooking, for example. Tip number 2 is change your phone settings to English, okay? I think that should have been number 1 though. All right, so number 2, change your phone settings to English. And you will learn new words passively as you're looking at them. Number 3, use sticky notes. So use some notes that you can put on the desk, for example. Label things in your house in English, on the kitchen cabinet, inside the fridge, okay? So it's fun and helpful, and you can see some English words around the house. Number 4, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing in English. If it feels weird to talk to yourself, then maybe try writing to yourself, okay? Write to yourself in English or talk to yourself in English, whatever feels comfortable. Number 5, create mini goals. So tip number 5, create micro goals or mini goals. So 1 new word a day. You can learn 1 new English word a day, 1 sentence to write, or, just keep it simple. Just some examples, 1 word or 1 sentence, learn something new every day, okay? Keep it simple. And the last tip I'd like to share with you is mix English with your hobbies. So for example, if you love cooking, try recipes in English, okay? If you like music, learn lyrics in English. And nowadays it's quite easy to do this. I mean, you've got Spotify, and Spotify gives you transcripts automatically, so you can listen to music and read lyrics in English at the same time, okay? That makes it even easier. So as you can see, there are no more excuses to learn another language or to learn English in this case. So just go through all these tips that I shared with you, incorporate that in your daily routine, and you will be well on your way to learning English. Remember, amigos, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be part of your life. You just have to start doing something. Okay, awesome. Now, before we wrap up, if pronunciation is your biggest challenge, I've got something special just for you. I now offer private one-on-one sessions focused on pronunciation. I don't normally do this, so this is something that I've decided to do for this month. So you and me, we can speak together in English. I listen, give you personalized feedback so you can sound more confident and clear in English. To book your session, just go to englishmadesimple.net/learnwithme. Click the yellow Learn With Me button and choose a time that suits you. Spots are limited, so don't wait too long, amigos y amigas. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me in this Restart Your English Journey mini-series. This is the last episode of the mini-series. We're going to continue with something new next time. If you made it through all 3 episodes, or all 4 episodes, I think there's 3 episodes, you rock. Just remember that learning English is not a race. It's a journey, so enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. So the more you make it part of your life, the more natural it becomes. So you've been jamming with Milena. Keep practicing, stay cool, and keep in touch. Until next time, hasta la próxima.